Faster Forests is an industry collaboration led by ConocoPhillips Canada that focuses on accelerating the pace and the quality of reclamation on oil sands exploration sites. Reclaiming the land is important not only to us, but also to the stakeholders that live in and around our project. We want to see these sites, these disturbances that we've created during the life of the project, return back to self-sustaining boreal forest ecosystems as quickly as possible.
Reclamation is very important for our nation, and possibly we can play a hand in that. And industry and government is actually starting to recognize that, and they're asking our advice. So it's things are going the right way.
One of the challenges we've had in the past on sites like the one behind me, where, in the past the site might have been opened and then we would have left it, kind of hope it would come back and the standards of the day would have accepted the outcome, but it might turn into a grassy meadow, which doesn't fit in the landscape here. It impedes the ecological process of the site, and it takes a long time for the forest to come back after our disturbance.
I'd like to see something that does not stand out, where people can tell that it has been reclaimed.
Here at Surmont, in terms of what we've done since 2009, is we've planted over 1 million trees and shrubs, roughly 80% trees, 20% shrubs, on hundreds of sites all around the Surmont project. We've created a culture and an ability to have an open, honest discussion that involves the regulator as well as industry partners as well as academics. We incorporate the needs and the desires of the Indigenous communities around our project in terms of the plant species that are important and the function of the forest when we're finished. Faster Forest vision is that we should be able to come back to a Faster Forest site 5 years after treatment and notice a difference between a Faster Forest site and a non-Faster Forest site. The Faster Forest sites will have more plants, they'll be more vigorous, they'll be taller, they'll be more suited and fit locally in the landscape than a site that hasn't been treated that way.
Maybe in about 30 or 40 years, our next few generations, they can walk by and they couldn't even notice that the land has been reclaimed.